As you can see in our project, we have 5 main web pages, the main page, calendar, form, and the additional information page, and the things page. So most of our code is over here. There's almost none over here. Okay, so on the main page, we used a template from w3schools.com. It's called the startup page template, and it largely provided us the framework which we built our website on. So in styles, we just have the properties that we need for each element defined for us over here that we can easily access later on. This is our navigation bar on the top of the web page. This is the adjustment for small screens. This is the header of our web page, which has that slideshow. Contain three images in a slideshow. So this is slideshow number 1, slideshow 2, and 3. And then these are the functions to allow us to move the slideshow from back and forth, and then the dots at the end of the slideshow. Over here, these are the methods that allow us to increase the slide index by 1 or decrease it. This was largely provided to us by the slideshow template that we found. All right. This is the first grid of our image, which contains some basic information about mental health. These are the 2 images that accompany it, and a learn more button over here. In our second grid, we have our purpose and a few more images, and then we have a quote and social media links at the end of our webpage that lead us to their respective websites. In calendar, largely the structure is the same, except that we added this short difference, where we embedded the Google Calendar. For forms, same thing, structure was largely the same, except over here we embedded a form that asks us for our name, our age, our gender, your email address, and what days work for your appointment, and what seems to be the issue. And a submit button. Right after you submit the form, you actually go to a thanks web page, which isn't loading apparently. All right. For our informational web page, which has the links of the most common disorders, it takes us to a more reputable website to learn more about that disorder. And then this overlay allows us to hover over that image, and so we could see the text. And this is largely the structure for every image. This is the 2nd, 3rd image, 4th, 5th, the 6th image. And the overlay was largely defined in styles. Right over here. Yep. Okay. And then, yep, this is our thanks web page. All we did here was we added a thank you for booking your first appointment, and we'll connect with you soon. And largely the structure was the same. So just to sum it up, the main framework was provided to us by the template, and we added elements like the slideshow, the image grid, images, and more to adjust and enhance our website.